good evening to you one and all. Welcome to Resin Art Fishing Finds. As you can just see just there, our magnet fishing group is Leeds Magneters. I'm William, and I'm going to be running through some of the stuff that we're going to be doing. Bit of a different channel. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to head down there to Leeds Magneters. See what we get out of the canals, etc. As you can see on my board just behind me there, knives, there's BB guns and bullets and all sorts. One of the things I'm going to do for you, I'm just going to give this a little bit of a testing out. Never done a resin art before, watched a hell of a lot of videos on it. I'm going to see what I can do. One of the things I'm going to do is this knife got out over in Burnley, so I'll put a nice little coloured layer on. I don't know what colour I'm going to use yet, but hope you enjoy this video. Click as a thumbs up, click as a subscribe. New channel on Resin Art, there's loads out there, but you know, let's give it a go. The box done. Now I'm going to mix a bit of colour for the base. I'm actually going to use lemon yellow for the base. I'm going to use a measuring jug. I've not got my scales yet. I'm using pro laminate 2-to-1 with a hardener, 100mm resin to 50mm hardener. So I've actually finished my first resin art. Hope you guys and girls go a bit easy on me. A little bit of a schoolboy area, a little bubble in one part of it there. But first time for everything. This is my first one. I hope you like it. The bits you can see obviously there are all the sprinkles and speckles that are in it. A little bit of blood coming off there. Just for the knife. I will get better, trust me. But there we go. That's my first one ever. Thank you guys for watching, and we will do something else up there. So throw us a like and subscribe up there, throw us a comment up there. Love comments, me. But I'm quite chuffed with my little self. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.